Part 2. Here, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Tillah, Putri, Ivanza, and then my friends,
Vannisa, Putri.
We would like to explain about our presentation. The title is The Effect of Application from Coffee Drugs and Dark Excel Flour as Absorbent on the Reduction of Detergent Waste.
Under the guidance of our biologist teachers, Nurse Nungyusi Suswanti Kusuma. The background discussion in this research is detergent is the use of synthetic cleaning agents that is increasingly widespread in the wider community. This is starting to have an impact directly and indirectly on humans and the environment.
Next, coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are waste that can be used as a source of activated charcoal to have high economic value. One of the benefits of coffee grounds is absorbent in reducing BOD, biological oxygen demand, and COD, chemical oxygen demand level is detergent waste. And then dark excels. Dark excel that form the outer layer of the egg naturally forms bioceramic. The egg cell is made up of many different layers, and calcium oxide derived from that egg cell is very efficient in reducing level of ABS, which is an organic compound in detergent waste.
Formulation of the problem. First, can coffee grounds and dark egg cell as absorbent to reduce the levels of ABS, alkyl benzene sulfonate, BOD, biological oxygen demand, and COD, chemical oxygen demand in the detergent waste? Second, how is the implementation and process of making coffee grounds and dark egg cell absorbent?
Research purpose. First, knowing the role of absorbent in coffee grounds and dark egg cells in level of ABS, BOD, and COD in detergent waste. Second, knowing the implementation and process of making coffee grounds and dark egg cell absorbent. The theoretical discussion in this research is there are coffee grounds, dark egg cells, detergent, and the last is absorbent.
This research was carried out in the Mount 5 Butler Laboratory for 2 months, July until August 2021, with a single-factor experimental method, which was compiled using a completely randomized design or CRD. Research method. First, wash with clean water.
Second, dry in the sun for 3 days.
Third, offer coffee grounds and dark egg cells in the oven for 1 hour at 200 Celsius and repeat 4 times the same temperature.
4. Activation process for activated charcoal using HCl 0.1 mol.
5. Dark egg cell refinement.
6. Filtering coffee grounds and egg cell that have been in the oven.
7. And do the absorption.
Beside me, tools and ingredients for our research. Procedure about coffee grounds. There are water evaporation, smoothing, chemical activate, heating temperature to 200 Celsius, neutralization, and the last is drying.
Procedure about dark egg cell. There are washing, drying, smoothing, and the last is warming up.
Beside me, a picture of the research procedure.
The result of the study can be seen for the table above. It can be guarded, had the content contained in the detergent waste after experiencing the absorbent that it gets a pH 7.
This table below explaining about XRP dark egg cell and coffee grounds activated charcoal quality results. Conclusion of this research. Minimizing environmental values due to detergent waste, raw materials that are easy to renew, and environmentally friendly are the potential to develop an absorbent and dark egg cells. Absorption of ABS, BOD, and COD values using dark egg cells, and coffee grounds was very effective with reduction of 80%. Reduction of detergent waste content to pH 7.
Suggestion. As for the suggestion of research on the use of coffee grounds and nut eggshells as absorbent, it is still far from perfect, for that it is necessary to do further research on the reduction of detergent waste absorption result, so that are not simply thrown into nature. That's all from us. Thank you so much for your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.